and large limbs are an occasional cause of injury and fatality during western Washington windstorms. A high wind warning means a hazardous or damaging high wind event is expected or occurring. This is a special weather statement. A pair of potentially damaging storm systems will impact western Washington through the weekend. Rain will become heavy at times today across western Washington in advance of a strengthening low-pressure system approaching the region. Steady rainfall is likely to persist tonight into Friday morning as the surface low lifts northward just off the coast. By Friday morning, hefty rainfall totals are anticipated with 1 to 3 inches over the interior lowlands, 2 to 5 inches along the coast and Cascade Mountains, and 4 to 8 inches over the south-facing slopes of the Olympic Mountains. This will cause rises in all river basins, with some rivers expected to flood. Flood watch remains in effect from noon Pacific Daylight Time today through Friday afternoon. The flood watch continues for portions of northwest Washington and west central Washington, including the following counties: in northwest Washington, Mason and Whatcom; in west central Washington, Snohomish. From noon Pacific Daylight Time today through Friday afternoon, heavy rain over the Olympic Mountains today through Friday will drive the Skokomish River above flood stage. Heavy rain over the North Cascades today through Friday will drive rivers such as the Nooksack and the Stillaguamish close to flood stage. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KHB60, Seattle, serving the greater Puget Sound area and broadcasting at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The current time is 11:37 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Weather synopsis for western Washington. Wet weather will continue and it will become windy tonight as a strong low-pressure system reaches the area. Friday will be wet and windy as the low weakens over Vancouver Island. There will be a lull in the weather Friday night and Saturday morning. Another strong low-pressure system will arrive Saturday night. These are the 11 a.m. observations. At Forks, cloudy, temperature 57 degrees, and humidity 96%. Wind southeast at 8 miles an hour. Pressure 29.58 inches and rising. Port Angeles, cloudy 54. Port Townsend, partly sunny 55. Bellingham, light rain 55. Southeast wind 14 miles an hour. Friday Harbor, cloudy 55. Everett, light rain 52. Boeingfield, rain 54. At SeaTac Airport, light rain. Temperature 54 degrees, dew point 52, and humidity 93%. Southeast wind 7 miles an hour. Pressure 29.67 inches and steady. Gig Harbor, light rain 53. McWhort Field, light rain 55. Shelton, light rain 53. At Olympia, light rain 55 degrees, and humidity 89%. Wind south at 9 miles an hour. Pressure 29.65 inches and falling. Inland water wind reports in knots. Point Wilson, south 11. Point flood watch in effect for portions or all of the listening area from noon Pacific Daylight Time today through Friday afternoon. High wind warning in effect for portions or all of the listening area from 6 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. Today, breezy. Rain at times. Highs in the upper 50s to mid-60s. South wind 15 to 25 miles an hour becoming southeast 10 to 20 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, very windy. Rain at times. Lows in the mid-40s to lower 50s. South wind 15 to 25 miles an hour increasing to 25 to 40 miles an hour with gusts to around 55 miles an hour after midnight. Friday, windy. Rain at times. Highs in the mid-50s to lower 60s. South wind 15 to 30 miles an hour. Near the Cascade foothills, south wind 15 to 25 miles an hour decreasing to 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, showers. Lows in the mid-40s to lower 50s. South wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Saturday, windy. Rain at times. Highs in the mid-50s to lower 60s. Southeast wind 10 to 20 miles an hour increasing to 20 to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of measurable precipitation for Seattle. Today, 100. Tonight, 100. And Friday, 90%. The forecast for western Washington. High wind warning in effect for much of the western Washington lowland this afternoon through early Friday. Flood watches and warnings are in effect for portions of western Washington. Please refer to the latest flood bulletin for details. Today, becoming windy at the coast. Rain, locally heavy. Highs 55 to 65. Tonight, very windy. Rain, locally heavy. Lows in the upper 40s to mid-50s. Friday, windy. Rain at times. Highs near 60. Lows near 50. Sunday, breezy. Showers. Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday night, showers likely. Lows in the upper 40s. Monday, showers likely. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night through Wednesday, showers likely. Lows near 50. Highs in the upper 50s. The forecast for the Cascades of Snohomish and King counties. Today, rain, heavy at times. Snow level near 8,000 feet. Rainfall amounts 1 to 3 inches possible. Afternoon pass temperatures in the mid-40s to lower 50s. Southeast wind in the passes to 10 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 35 knots, easing to 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Wind waves 4 to 6 feet, subsiding to 1 to 3 feet in the afternoon. Rain. The extended forecast for western Washington. Saturday night, very windy. Rain at times. Lows near 50. Sunday, breezy. Showers. Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday night, showers likely. Lows in the upper 40s. Monday, showers likely. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night through Wednesday, showers likely. Lows near 50. Highs in the upper 50s. Rain at times. Highs in the mid-50s to lower 60s. Per hour becoming southwest after midnight. Saturday, rain and snow. Snow level near 6,000 feet. Rainfall amounts a half inch to 1 inch possible. Afternoon pass temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. East wind in the passes around 10 miles per hour, becoming southeast 15 to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. The marine forecast for Puget Sound and Hood Canal. Gale warning from 7 p.m. this evening through Friday morning. Today, south wind 10 to 20 knots, becoming 5 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Wind waves 1 to 3 feet. Rain. Tonight, southeast wind 15 to 25 knots early this evening, becoming south 25 to 35 knots late this evening. Wind waves 2 to 4 feet, building to 4 to 6 feet after midnight. Rain. Friday, south winds 25 to 35 knots, easing to 15 to 25 knots in the afternoon. Wind waves 4 to 6 feet, subsiding to 2 to 4 feet in the afternoon. Rain. Following counties in Washington.